In front of me is Realme GT6 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access apps. Then tap on App Cloner and click on one of those apps that you wish to clone, like Facebook. Finally, to clone your app, click on gray switcher next to Create App Clone and wait. Now adjust those two options however you want to. You can tap on Rename App Clone and select a perfect name. In my case, Facebook too. Then to save it, select Save in the pop-up. Following that, tap on When using quick functions and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and click on No Blue switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!